Opa, I'm Jack the Greek, and today we're going to cook on the brand new Crossrae Explore gas barbecue. And today we're going to cook on the black one. It also comes in stainless. We're going to cook some beautiful steaks. We have some Scotch fillet, ribeye, porterhouse, T-bone, and some mignon as well. And we're going to complement it with some bone marrow as well. Okay, with today's cooking demonstration on the brand new Crossrae Explore gas barbecue, we're going to cook all these meats to about medium rare. We're going to complement them with just some simple salt and pepper, and of course, some vegetables on the side. What we're going to do is just put our tomatoes just here on the Crossrae barbecue. Just like that on the side. Beautiful, just like this. And of course, we're going to put our asparagus on the side like that as well. And there we have it. Now, we're going to also cook with some seafood. We're going to cook with some prawns, scallops, and of course some Moreton Bay bugs, which I haven't got on the bench yet because we're going to make sure that they're nice and fresh straight out of the fridge. So with that, we're going to obviously prepare our frying pan. And with the Crossrae Explore barbecue, you can always use a pan straight on the grill, just like that. So here we are, we're just putting our salt and pepper on all our meat, just like that, plenty of it, like that, and of course on our bone marrow as well. There we go. So now it's time to put them in order. Now, as you can see, we've got different sizes. So the first thing we'll do is we'll put the bone marrow just there, and then we've got our beautiful ribeye just here. And as you can see, the ribeye is quite thick compared to the other meats. So we want to try to make it more medium rare, which means we've got to start with this one first. And watch this. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. And then we'll give that about 1.5 minutes. And then we'll start putting the other pieces. Turn my ribeye, just like that, and as you can see, it's got its nice crust now. So now that I've turned that like that, it's time to put on our Scotch fillet, just like that next to it. Beautiful, there we go. And it's probably the right time also to put our beautiful T-bone steak. Look at this beautiful T-bone. Opa, just like that. We'll wait a couple more minutes before we put on our porterhouse and our filet mignon. So now we're going to get the sauce ready, and we're going to cook our beautiful scallops. And look at that, just a little bit hotter than what I want, but just like that. Now, maybe just set it up there, and we can cook as well while we're there. Now, the key here is we don't want to overcook our beautiful scallops. We're just going to put them about 90 seconds on either side, just like that. Beautiful. And we'll make a couple of extras. Okay, there we have our beautiful scallops. Again, just reminding you, we don't want to cook these for more than 90 seconds because they're going to still be cooking through now as they're sitting on this plate until we plate them up, just like that. Now, the flavours that we have in this pan, we've got to take advantage of. We can't let them go away. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a bit of bacon. And this is going to be used to dress up the plate and complement the filet mignon with the scallops. Now, we just bring that up a little bit, just brown it, making sure that we take off and just be able to just clean the pan. That way all the flavours of the scallops and the butter are combining with the bacon. Okay, I've just added the leek now, finely sliced leek, and that's what we want there. So we just want that to just start combining and warming up before we put our cream. Okay, so that's ready now for the third ingredient, which is our cream. But before then, we're going to put on our porterhouse, because as you can see, the other steaks are going quite well and they're nearly ready. So we'll put down our porterhouse just there, and we'll bring on our filet mignon just there as well. So 2 beautiful pieces, just like that. Beautiful. There we go. It's going to be an amazing array of beautiful steaks and beautiful fresh product as well. Beautiful. Hoppa. Now, with this, let's grab our cream. Just put a little bit of cream in here, just like that. And we just want that to thicken up now. Just like this. Beautiful. Look at that. Amazing. So we're just going to let that sit on the side, just like that, while we just prepare and have a look at our beautiful steaks. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Our beautiful ribeye. We'll turn that as well. Let's have a look at our T-bone. Beautiful. Our Scotch fillet. nearly ready as well. Again, you want to test these with your thermometer. You don't want them more than about 60 degrees if you want them medium rare, and that's what we're going to do now. Just give them a bit of a test. That's sitting at about 30 degrees. That's sitting at about 30 as well, and as you can see, the timing of them is very much aligned. Oh, beautiful, look at this. We've got our beautiful leek, bacon and spinach complement dressing, call it what you like, that we're going to use for our beautiful filet mignon and our scallops. We've got our steaks all there ready. Normally, of course, we'll take the steaks off and let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before we plate them up. But today, we're Jack the Greek on the brand new Crossrae Explore Gas Barbecue. We're going live. So, we've got to plate up as we're going. So if you come around here, we've got our first plate that we're going to use, and this is the one we're going to plate up. So, we're going to grab our beautiful flavours. Look at the colours, look at this. Just like that. Beautiful, there we go. And we've got that there, and we'll grab our filet mignons just up here. Look at that, beautiful, there they are. Just like this. And of course, just put one next to it there. And then we've got our scallops that we just cooked just a few minutes ago that we're just going to put here on the side. Look at that, beautiful. Just our beautiful scallops. Let's put a couple more at the front, just like that. There we go. Are they nice? Let's just try one. What do you reckon? Oh, beautiful, beautiful. There we go. That is our first dish just there. Our next dish, where do we start? Let's grab our T-bone. The beautiful 400 gram T-bone steak, just like that. With this one here, complements it with just a few asparagus on the side, just like that. And of course, some beautiful roasted tomatoes, just like that. There we go. And of course, I would add a little bit of lemon just on top of our asparagus there. And there we have it. So there's the second dish. Beautiful T-bone steak with roasted barbecued tomatoes and asparagus. So the next one is going to be our beautiful Scotch fillet. The first thing we're going to do is put our mushroom sauce that we just made earlier, just like this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to sit that mushroom sauce, and I made it thick on purpose. I wanted it nice and thick because I want it to be used as the bed of our beautiful Scotch fillet, just like that. So we got it there, and now we're just going to grab our Scotch fillet, and we're just going to place that. Oh, beautiful! Look at that. Love it, love it. Beautiful, just like this. And let's just put it there, just on top. Our beautiful Scotch fillet with mushroom sauce, just like that. And of course, you can cut a couple of chilies if you want on the side, just like this, to put on top. Beautiful, just like that. Just a few chilies. I love my chilies. Just cut them up, just like this, just on top and around the dish. Beautiful, just like this. There we go. Our boiled broccoli, beautiful like that, just as our vegetable, just to complement our beautiful Scotch fillet with our mushroom sauce. And there you have it. Beautiful Scotch fillet with broccoli and mushroom sauce. The next one is one of my kids' favourites. Porterhouse steak with some wedges or roast potatoes or chips. Today, we're just going to complement our beautiful porterhouse steak with just some beautiful wedges that we had cooked earlier today, just to have inside. And there we go. Grab our beautiful potatoes, just like that, on top. I'll make it all nice and even in a minute. We'll bring them in and we'll just have it like this. And there you go. Grab your wedges, put them underneath, just like this. Beautiful. Place your beautiful porterhouse steak on top, just like that. A bit of salt, a bit of extra salt for the kids because they love it, and a bit of pepper as well. And if you want, you can apply a bit of mushroom sauce. You can put a cheese sauce on that. You can even put just some barbecue sauce or even Worcestershire sauce. But there is the kids' meal. One more to go, and this is the classic. So let's get this ready. Over here, we just got our ribeye, which is the last one's left, Just here, a beautiful ribeye fillet. Just here like that. There we have it. We got it there. We can complement that with a few roast potatoes that we'll just grab now. Just from here. Just like this. Beautiful. Look at that. There we go. Like this. And you're going to probably ask me, where do we put the bone marrow? Well, this is the last one, isn't it? Just add it to the side. Just like this. Beautiful. Just like that. We'll put the lid down. Close it all up. We did have a couple of prawns just here on the side. We said we'll put them on top. Okay, so let's not forget we've got our potatoes here. Because remember, this is so-called our surf the turf. And now we've got our prawn. And of course, let's not forget our beautiful Moreton Bay bug. Just like that. Beautiful. There it is there. And we've got our potatoes. I reckon we could fit a couple more potatoes just there. And we'll just put them in just like this. Beautiful. So we've got our prawn. We've got our surf and turf, our Moreton Bay bug with our beautiful bone marrow, with our ribeye. We've got our beautiful filet mignon with our scallops, our beautiful sauce, beautiful traditional T-bone steak with tomatoes and asparagus. Over here, our broccoli, our beautiful mushroom sauce with our Scotch fillet. And of course, for our kids, traditionally, what they like, porterhouse steak with just some wedges. Thanks again. I'm Jack the Greek, and I hope you enjoyed watching me cook on the brand new Crossrail Explore Barbecue. Opa.